Hey everybody, game time. I'll give you one guess what I'm looking for here. 2017 Crown Royale football. Theme of the channel lately has been rookie cards, and it is still so. Still such. Has Wentz on the front. Not necessarily looking for him, because he was 2016, but looking for Mahomes, Trubisky, Juju, Connor, lots and lots of folks. I grabbed up 4 boxes while they were on sale. I'm going to open 2 in this video since they are quite small. You only get 5 cards per pack and 4 packs per box. The odds of getting a really good autograph I don't think are that great, but I would be happy with any of those rookies or parallel versions of them would be nice as well. Of course, I'm not going to say that I couldn't get a really good autograph, but you know how that goes. Get out my little packs here. That one's stuck. Come on, work with me. There we go. Alright. Alright. Wish me luck. Just a couple of good rookies would be nice. I'd love to get a Mahomes out of this. A numbered one would be good because you see lots of his rookie cards in other products, but not so much this stuff. Alright. Leonard Floyd. Don't care. Jeremy Hill. Woof. Oh no. Oh no, I got Panini pointed. Carlos Hyde. 150 points. And the rookie is Marshawn Lattimore. So, I was supposed to get... What am I going to be missing out of? On, should I say... 1 autograph and 1 mem. I hope that takes the place of my mem card, but I'm sure it will probably take the place of my autograph. Alright, Russell Wilson, Kirk Cousins, Eli Manning, a Corey Coleman to 249. This is not his rookie year. Oh, sweet, but I got a Deshaun rookie, so... I wish he had been the parallel, but I'll take it. Looks like we have the mem card here, which is like I expected. Lynch, Gates, Edelman. It is Chris Godwin. Rookie silhouette. And then Myles Garrett, rookie card. Last pack. Man, I didn't even think about Panini points in this stuff. I should have remembered that. Cutler, Yeldon, Watt, Lamar Miller to 299, and Derek Barnett. And that is box 1. I've actually got a good number of Panini points built up, so maybe... it's not so bad. It could help me get something even better. But you all know how I feel about the points. I'd rather have the autograph. Alright, let's try another one. Let's see if we can do it better this time around. Although we did get a Deshaun Watson rookie out of that. Not too bad. Come on. If I could get the packs out of here, that would be nice. These cards get beat up easy too, so I'm trying to be careful getting these packs out. The dark borders don't hold up well. There's my mem card, I think. Eric Decker, J.J., DeMarco Murray, a Le'Veon Bell parallel to 299, And a Corey Davis rookie. Eric Berry, Tyreek Hill, Demarius Thomas, Ryan Switzer autograph. Not a bad one. Glad I got the actual autograph. Oh, and a Dalvin Cook rookie. Not a bad pack there. Antonio Brown, Terrell Suggs, Larry Fitzgerald, Blake Bortles parallel to 249, and John Ross III rookie card. We should have a mem card here, and it feels like we do. Tyrod, T.Y., Clay Matthews, Jamal Williams, running back. Silhouette parallel to 250. Green swatch there. And Jabril Peppers rookie card. So, it's okay. Those two are okay. Luckily, these don't cost a fortune, and I got these on sale, so even better. Still got 2 more to go though, so check that video out, see how I do in those. Everybody take care, please like if you haven't already, subscribe, and I'll be back with my next break soon.